Christmas Eve, or Christmas Eve, or Christmas Eve. Repeat them again. Christmas Eve, Christmas Eve, or pre-Christmas Eve. Right, so I've shown you 3 ways to sign Christmas Eve, and the most common of them all actually is Christmas Eve, but that looks like you're signing Christmas night, but we're talking about the night before. So I was having a look and researching, and I've asked a couple of deaf friends for their input, so I've given you 3 choices. So you've got Christmas Eve, which is the pretty common general one, or we've got Christmas Eve, where you're clearly spelling that it's Christmas Eve, or you have pre, because this means before something, not before in the past. That's before in the past. This means pre. So you can do pre-Christmas Eve. Now that's another sign for night. You can do night or night, because it's like you're pulling your eyes down to go to sleep. Night or night. So let's just go over that last one, the pre-Christmas one. Pre-Christmas Eve. Okay, but we're going to go through all 3 of them again. All right, so Christmas Eve, that's your common one. Christmas Eve, finger spell the E, or pre-Christmas Eve, pre-Christmas Eve. All right, I hope that explains it. There's a couple of ways of doing it, but any one of those is going to work absolutely fine, as long as you're saying Christmas Eve, like actually saying it Christmas Eve, then it's pretty obvious what you're saying and what you mean. But if you're going to make any plans with anybody that's deaf, make sure that they understand that it's not Christmas night, but it's Christmas Eve. So worst case situation, say Christmas Eve, but spell it as well, just to confirm that that's your intention. Whatever you do, have a great Christmas Eve. Just quickly, please remember to subscribe and like my videos. Thank you.